And for anyone without air conditioning, the Salvation Army just received over 130 fans to give out for free. Those were donated by Westlake Ace Hardware, thanks to the help of customers who generously gave over $2,300 to help buy those fans. It's the 10th year Ace Hardware and the Salvation Army have teamed up to help cool the community. They've already given away over 100 fans so far this summer.
If calls keep coming in and the heat stays up, we're going to be giving out a lot more fans, and we could potentially run out by the end of summer. So we're giving out fans to anyone without air conditioning. And I can tell you that if you don't have air conditioning in your house and you're trying to sleep, it's almost impossible. So fans are very important.
If you're in need of a fan, just give the Salvation Army a call, and you can always drop by their location on Kansas and Chestnut, which serves as an official cooling center Monday through Friday.